We are Roessler, your experts in surface finishing. Combining many decades of experience, a 100% focus on detail, and an endless passion for our customers. In our research and development centers, we determine which surface finishing process is best for your requirements and can then demonstrate the reasons for recommending our chosen solution. With know-how that spans more than 80 years, our technical experts custom engineer equipment concepts that meet your needs. At the same time, our research and development teams work on new, innovative process technologies for today's challenges as well as those of the future. Everything is made in-house. With our own laser cutting department, steel fabrication, and machine shop, we guarantee on-time and trouble-free production of your equipment. Our apprentices are the professionals of tomorrow. From their first day with our company, we involve them in every aspect of our business. Following their graduation, we're able to offer them many possibilities for their further professional advancement. For warehousing, picking, and packing, we employ the latest technologies, including in our fully automatic high bay warehouse with vertical storage units for small components. These guarantee rapid dispatch of spare parts to our global service centers, as well as directly to our customers. The mechanical and electrical assembly of our equipment is performed by dedicated specialists with many years of experience in their respective field. All of this enables us to provide you with the complete solution, incorporating the ideal finishing technology, process know-how, and respective equipment. That is the Roessler way. In Untermeersbach, at our headquarters in Bad Staffelstein, and throughout our 16 branches and over 150 distributors and representatives all over the world. From all these locations, we support many satisfied customers around the globe, and we look forward to serving you in the future as well. Roessler, finding a better way.